So for example 3, we are asked to simplify in brackets 4 to the power of 3, close brackets, power to 4. Now all we need to do is multiply the powers. So we have 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 4. And we can quite easily work out that 3 times 4 is 12. However, if we do need reassuring that is definitely the correct answer, we can go into an abundance of 4s. So if we do 4 times 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 4. So you may also notice that there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows of 4 times 4 times 4. And to make this simpler, we can do 4 times 3, which also gives us 12. So from both these methods, we can see that the answer is 4 to the power of 12.